Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I am going to show you how to control your computer with gestures with ultrasonic sensor, Arduino, along with the Python software. The ultrasonic sensor measures the distance of the hand and apply actions regarding that. We can switch from different tabs in a browser, move the web page up and down with simple gestures. Even we can increase or decrease the volume of the computer. Moreover, it's a fun project for beginners. Also, we can add more gestures to the project to make it even cool. So without further ado, let's get started. This video is sponsored by Thomson Electronics. They are the best dealers in commercial supplies of electronic components in India with high quality products and a wide variety of category to choose from. This gesture control project we will need Arduino Nano, HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor and few jumper cables. Refer the schematics before wiring so it would be more easier. Connect the ultrasonic sensor VCC pin, trigger, echo and the ground pin to Arduino 5V, digital pin 12, digital pin 11, Arduino ground, 3.3V, digital pin 6, digital pin 5, finally connect it to ground. To complete the wiring of the gesture control project. One ultrasonic sensor to the top right side of the laptop with some sticky tape and the remaining ultrasonic sensor to the top left of the laptop. Then fix the Arduino Nano with some sticky tape to complete the build. Make sure the ultrasonic sensor points out correctly. This is the key component. Connect the cable from the Nano to the laptop. The Arduino and Python code. In the Arduino IDE, go to Tools, select the board, processor and COM port. Replace the Python COM port with same as the Arduino COM port. In the Arduino IDE, hit Upload the Arduino code. After Arduino code has been successfully uploaded, run the Python code. This is how you can make your very own DIY gesture control computer with Arduino along with the Python code, which can be made under $6 roughly. It will be a fun project for beginners. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.